Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can change the color of your shirt on Photoshop. So we're just going to select the item first. I'm just going to select the object selection tool for this, and I'm going to select the shirt. Just waiting for it to load. So give me a minute. Okay, I'm going to deselect some stuff. Let's use the quick selection tool and use this one. And just delete some stuff here. There we go, and the neck as well. Press Ctrl J on your keyboard, and we're just going to edit this from now, starting with adjustments here, hue and saturation. I'm just going to change the color by selecting the hue and kind of like adjusting it. Maybe I want the shirt to be purple. You can also adjust the saturation here so it's not too big. You can also adjust the lightness and stuff. Once you're done with it, just press OK, and that is it. It's as simple as that. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.